Hey guys, Gavin here from GFP Machines. Today's a really cool day. We've got live demonstrations happening on site here. We've got customers coming to look at this SmartTech 5-head moulder and this Holytech top and bottom planer. We've got them out in the sun. They're set up, they're tested, they're ready to go. Like every machine that we sell, 3-month warranty on all the mechanical items of the machine. We go through these machines top to toe through our workshop. We've got plenty molders in stock, starting from 275,000 Rand a molder right the way up to high-speed molders, top and bottom planers. We've got a few of these in stock as well. Solid planer blade, top and bottom planers, and spiral block as well. They're great. We've put this machine through the factory. It's 100% quality guaranteed. We've got lots of machines, over 500 machines in stock. We want to see you. We want to see what we can do to help you and your factory. It'll be great to meet you in person. But if you can't get here, if you can't come down to Johannesburg, we will run a live video for you. We will run through the machine, start the machine up, run through all the controls, run through the machine. You can hear the sounds, hear the noises, and you'll be thoroughly impressed by the time we finish with it. Get your name on your machine.